Do you know you can quickly split your screen using a simple gesture on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This makes multitasking faster and easier. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Multi-Window. Find Swipe for Split Screen and turn it on. Now, let's try it. Open any app. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen with 2 fingers in portrait mode. As you can see, your screen will split instantly. If you are using landscape mode, you can swipe from the side with 2 fingers instead. Next, you can select another app to open the other half of the screen. You can also swipe again to quickly switch app. This is useful when you want to multitask. And that's how you use swipe gesture or split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.